Because I am a process artist, which means that I sit and I make things and I see what comes out of them and I go in the direction they want to go. It's a very it's a process. It's like I don't have an idea and say I'm going to do this. I have materials that I explore. I explore them until I get an idea. When I get an idea, then I go further with that idea. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And then I go to another idea and another idea. And until I finally have something that I feel is satisfying, and satisfying either to pursue even further or just to as is, and so it's about learning for me. It's about learning what's inside that needs to come out as an artist. And that's what Bridges is all about. It's all about getting children to understand who they are through all these different methods. I think the emotion chart is perfect, describing emotions physically, enacting the emotions, using them in sentences, incorporating them in your puppet story. It becomes like, it's like finding ways to use each part of the process to amplify the other parts of the process.